Alright, good morning you guys. Welcome back. So I want to walk y'all through real quick. I just got my DJI bag for being serviced. So let's get into it. I'm going to unbox it. I'm also going to do a quick video and show you guys all of the things, the items, the knickknacks that I have purchased to go with my DJI. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's get this thing open. I'm so glad to have her back. Ugh. Okay. So here's my strap. I think they actually had my strap. They tell you to only turn in the device, but I think I left my strap on there. A little product card from being serviced. Okay, they gave me another strap to hold on to my arm and stuff. Cute. Oh, they gave me another charger. What else in here? Oh, and another little battery block. Oh, that's dope, because y'all know these help your DJI stay charged longer. Okay, that's all this in the box. So this is what has returned to me. A block. Well, this didn't return to me. I didn't send this off, so they just gave me another battery block, another charger, and another string. This is all I sent them. Okay, now let's open her up. Ooh, hold on, I didn't send them this. So if you know, when you first buy your DJI, it come with this case, which I still have my case. So yeah, I didn't send this in. This not mine, so they gave me that. Oh shoot, is this spanking new? Hold on, this might be new, y'all. This might be brand new. This ain't mine. This is not my DJI. And how do I know? It's because I have a scrape up here. I had a scrape up here at the top on my DJI. And I had a scrape, like a nick right here, where it was like actually silver, like you could see metal. What it came from, I don't know. But they were there and they're not here now. And the only thing they should be fixing is my screen. So I can understand if they change your screen and it's not there, but the nick up there, that ain't mine. Anyway. And voila. Oh shoot, I gotta reset it up all over again. That's new. Okay, hold on, we ain't gonna do that yet. I'm just gonna sit this in here so I can sit it down without it going crazy. So that's a brand new DJI. Now on to the little knickknacks that I'm gonna show y'all what came with my DJI when I initially bought it, and then I'm gonna show you the new stuff I got. So it came in this case. It comes with this case. And it comes, I bought the creator kit, so I got the extended battery pack. I have the mini battery pack. It did come with my DJI mic. And my little filter. I don't use the filter though. Like, I just don't. It's not necessary. So that's what came with my DJI, as well as the cover and a string, and then the DJI itself. That's what came with it when I bought it. Okay. Now, some items that I've got to add to my little collection is this magnet. I love this thing. So you open it, you put your DJI inside, clamp it, lock it. It's in there nice and safe, right? And then you can use this as a magnet. I don't really have anything magnetic in here to magnetic on, but this back, and you can just stick it on stuff in stores. It'll hold. You can even, if your dashboard in your car, some people's dashboard has some metal in it, you can mount it up there and it will sit. Well, y'all can't see that, but it will sit flat, things like that. So I can do a moment like this. I can tilt this up, and mind you, this is the DJI in here. Okay, you can do some cool little stuff with it. So I love this little gadget. Next, I bought a light kit. So what this does, turn it off. Okay, so You put this on the side here, and you just lock it into place. Boom. And now, when you turn your DJI on, okay, you have a place to put this little light. Oh, my light did. Oh, there you go. But it changes colors. It gets brighter. It gets darker. And now you have, oh shit, an extended light, an extra light. So it's really cool. But yeah, those are the little extra goodies that I have. Those are the little extra goodies that I have added to my DJI. I did have like the pink case kit thing, but it does really nothing. And because I like to keep this on my DJI at all times, I can't put that little silicone case on there. So yeah, hope this helps you guys.